your latest vlog was
Awesome.
in Gamaras, right?
Yeah. Thank you, brother. Hey, it's nice meeting you.
Yeah, it's nice meeting you too.
See you, brother.
Okay.
All right, we are here on the streets of Iloilo, and Ari, she's tripping over, but she has also taken me downtown. Hey, brother. All right, we'll go see what this guy's got. What have you got here today?
Takas kalunggo.
Miracle tree?
Warts.
What is it? Oh, for warts.
Yeah, like different
Kalyo, butang.
palaces.
I haven't got any warts at the moment, but
Hopefully
she
not.
does. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. That was
not.
so inappropriate.
Yeah, nice, ma'am. Oh, you should try those.
Okay, yeah, we'll try one.
Ano na gani? Ube?
Yes, ma'am.
Kagmungo?
What flavour are they? Caramel,
This is ube
chocolate?
or yeah.
Okay, all right. We will try one. We are going to try Hopia for the first time. Without her telling me what it is, you can't tell me anything, but I'm guessing it's like a fudge. So from looking at it, I'm guessing it's a really sugary, sweet, like a caramelly kind of fudge. All right, let's go.
So try this one first.
So yeah, fudge kind of thing. It's all right. So to me, it's like a bread with like a sugary kind of,
Stuff.
like a raw cake kind of taste on the side, in the inside. You're better. You are the green better.
Baby.
Whoa, what is this?
What are those?
This looks very suspicious. Are you sure you can just sell this on the street like that?
Sweet trick.
They put it in a swimming pool?
Panglata. T-shirt white.
T-shirt white.
Oh, white.
Yeah, I don't know about that, but yeah. All the best for the business. Guys, check this out. I'm in a second-hand clothing shop here. I just found a McDonald's shirt. And not only that, look what I found over here. A Mac Cafe hat. So what do you reckon? Should I get them both and turn up to the local McDonald's wearing these? What do you think?
Can I get 10-piece nugget?
I'm gonna do it. So we are here in Master Chua, which is like a Chinese Filipino hybrid. We've got all these foods here. We're gonna try it. Apparently it's the best bargain in the whole of Iloilo. Would you say that's correct? The best food in the whole of Iloilo? I will say yes. So what we're gonna do today, I'm not gonna choose anything. She's gonna choose it for me. I'm trusting her. She's probably gonna get like the worst thing here. Like not the worst thing, but like the weirdest thing. No balut, no balut. Anything but balut. No idea what she's got in mind. I'm a little bit suspicious. I can see on her face, she's gonna get me something really weird. But I need to enjoy it. Oh God, what has she got us? I hope you were nice to me.
Yeah. So,
Would you like to run through us? What's going on?
are you ready? Nothing crazy, but I got you, I think that's like a stir fry.
Yeah.
And then veggies. I got you some scallops. Do you like seafood scallops?
So-
and then you can try these as well.
It appears like you're making me eat quite healthy.
Yeah, we're trying to be healthy because we've been eating, you know. And we also have, I don't know what that is, but it's a chrysanthemum drink.
So we've got this drink. We don't know what it is.
It's a flower. But
Flower and butterflies, potentially, because it's got a butterfly on it and flowers. That's all we know. Can anyone read this?
You can mark it.
Oh, that's terrible. Taste that. Taste that. Oh, I think that's made from flowers, seriously. What does that taste?
It tastes like tea.
Like what?
Tea.
Tea.
Chamomile.
That's a really weird taste. I've got to drink it now anyway. 7? And scallops, so that's like a fish.
Seashell.
Seashell.
Mussel.
Ferrari. Guys, I've just made a discovery. It's a Jeepney Ferrari. Oh, look at it. Hey, congratulations on the Ferrari. Hey, buddy. Hey, hey. Hey, how you doing? How you doing? Good, how are you?
Take care, brother.
Yeah. Hey, the town of love. Everyone is so nice. All right, where are we off to? We found a dessert shop. Is that? Oh, this is the famous Roberta's, and this is Roberta himself. Is it? No? Okay. Guys, if you've been watching the vlog, you know I love a good mango shake. So we've just found out they sell them here, so we're going to join this massive line and try a mango shake. Alright man, it's okay. Devastating news, guys. The mango shakes are unavailable. This always happens to me. It's whatever I want, it's not available. It's always the mango shakes. I feel like we need to ring Gimeris and tell them to send some mangoes over because there is a shortage here at the moment. So guys, I really want to get a cobra. She said no, they're poison. I know that I said in a different video I didn't like them, but they've grown on me. She's determined that I can't have one. So what do I say? I say, can I have a sting? She says no. Now why can't I have a cobra?
It's because it's poison.
What do you mean it's poison? It can't be that bad. Where are they? Cobra! Here they are. They've even got 3 flavors. So I can't have this.
No.
She runs my life. To a compromise, I'm gonna get the San Miguel lychee flavor because it's only 3%. So it's a great lunchtime kind of beer. Oh, that is so good. This is not a product placement. It's so good. It tastes like juice, like fizzy juice, but it's good.
I-video na. Đây cable nga baga, try this is tennis. Hoy! Lantaw ang cable kay kakasi. Doha ka minuto cable kalungko kutang sa tilalapa. Mga eksima na, mga words sa maulata. Op, oy.
No idea what's happening.
Cable ka magkakakas. Mga tato. Bate ka lantaw. Doha ka minuto makuha. Di kay cable makuha. Alam pa, mga eksima, kaspa, words, kalungko. Ibaw pairan kay bata pa.
Oh my god!
Oh,
He's got it.
Hold on.
Careful. Hey, this blade is so sharp.
Cable ka. Cable nga baga, lantawan ka mo. Lumoy na kayo. Oh, this is tennis. Yeah. Oh, tennis, oh. Oh. Lumoy na cable hop. Oh, cable hop.
That's my skin.
That's skin.
This skin.
So this is it. This is your miracle healing.
Arthritis, ana.
Ano na siya? Anong latipo?
Lateo kahoy na siyang latipo.
Anong latipo?
Sycamore tree.
Oh, sycamore tree.
Pero sycamore tree sa Bisaya. Waday ba?
Doesn't have any smell. No smell.
Walay singaw. Walay baho. Okay. Tugas kahoy. 150 ra.
I'm not sold enough on the products,
Well, maybe next time.
but I'd like to thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. How was that?
Look, I'm not saying that guy was a snake oil salesman, but I just think that was water with food coloring. It had no smell, and it was a bit scary when he put that knife to my skin because it wasn't actually that blunt. It was actually pretty sharp. It was just the angle he was going at, like a razor. They didn't cut me, but hey, there you go. If you want some, here's on this main strip here. This archway right here was erected in 2012 to commemorate the Chinese and Filipino friendship. In fact, this whole street is run by Chinese businessmen. That's what my Grab driver told me anyway, but let's go have a look. Hey! What's going on? Malu's coffee. The best coffee in Iloilo. That's what she said. She really wanted me to put it in. Is it good?
Okay, don't say that.
So after a quick coffee stop, the weather has changed. If you look here in the background, the skies have turned grey, but I want to take you down this street. Hello. The Chinese business street, and there's this building down here which I saw the other day. Whole thing burnt down. I just did a quick Google. How are ya? It was burnt down 9 years ago. So we're gonna go take a look, see if we can get inside, and yeah, go from there. Hello, how are you? Good.
I'm very good.
That's good. That is very good. Here, excuse me. So here we are. This is the building that fire tore through back in 2014. It wiped out 6 businesses, and today it still stands here, just like this. We're gonna try to get inside. Is there a back street? Back street? There is. Okay, there's a back street. So see on the map, the blue dot, that's where we are. That's where that is. So we basically need to cut down through one of these to get there.
Which one?
Down here. We're trying to cut through one of these shops to be able to get through to it, because there's no thoroughfare, so we literally need to go through someone's shop, but I don't think we're going to be able to do this. What did she say?
It's closed
No.
up.
So where are we? Are we close? Ooh, we're pretty close. Oh, here we go. Wow. So we've just come from the real city area, and now we're like, it looks like we're in some little village hut area. You got your palm trees, your old shacks. Can we find the burnt down shops? I think this is private property, but we'll have a look anyway. This is interesting. Where is the burnt down building? Oh, I'm getting attacked. There's like mosquitoes all over me. How are ya? Do you know the burnt down building?
No,
The-
no, Tainko.
The burnt down building.
Tainko.
This way.
Oh, this way.
I don't know, private.
Oh, private.
Private.
Private property.
Okay. Oh! Hey, is that a sign to get out of here? We'll get out of here. Thank you, buddy.
Thank you.
Guys, we tried. We tried to give you a good look at Iloilo downtown. We met some interesting people. We saw a couple of interesting places. Did I let you down on this vlog? Maybe I did, maybe I didn't. But hey, I've got some cool stuff coming up the next couple of days. So hopefully you enjoyed this. We're gonna head back now. Good night. Say good night to everyone, be nice.
Good night.
They're not children.
Huh?